What is up, my stylish people? This is Shank. Welcome back to this channel. This is all about the white sneakers. And a quick disclaimer: if you are spending anything less than 999 on a white sneaker or beat any of the footwear, don't expect quality and durability. Amma. Quality hota hai, durability bhi hota hai, but it all depends on the price point. With the higher price points, you get more quality, more comfort. These are according to their price point. So here are my all-time favorite when it comes to the budget white sneakers from Sparx. This option from Sparx, it is as clean as it gets when it comes to the white sneaker design. Means that they do have multiple number of other designs as well. I'm using this particular sneaker maybe from 10 months or maybe an year, but still it holds up really well. When it comes to the comfort, I would say it's good. It's not soft, it's not hard. It's like okay. This is the best comfortable sneakers which you are gonna see in this entire price category which I'm showing in this video. But still, these are okay. Means you need to understand it have that nice padding when it comes to this area. Nice padding it have, and when it comes to insole, it's okay. It's not too soft, it's not too hard. That's it. When it comes to design, as I mentioned, it's clean. It does have this minimal branding, and laces quality is good as well. Grip is good enough. So these are the best sneakers you can get at a price point of 600 or 700 rupees. Nothing can beat this particular option. Okay, two more white sneakers from a brand called Asian. No packaging at all. No packaging. Just it came in the cover. Just a normal plastic cover. I think so. Basically, it's the seller's fault because I purchased Asian shoes before as well. Generally, the packaging would be good. But right now I didn't get any packaging at all. So two different designs, one clean white sneaker. When it comes to the overall height and everything, these are like slightly chunkier, means at least it gives a chunky appearance when it comes to the sole, and also in terms of the overall appearance it gives a slightly chunky feel. For the sneaker, mostly inspired by the Air Force One, and the Sparx one is inspired by the Stan Smiths, if I have to say. But this one is not too much chunky, so certainly wearable. When it comes to the padding here, they do have nice padding here, but in terms of the insole ठीक ठाक का है, but here at this cup area it's not too comfortable. I went with the size 9, which is like true to size for me, but it's not comfortable. But in terms of the overall clean designs, it's good. Laces qualities need to be improved for this option. This option is also somewhere at a price point of 500 to 600. Asian brand generally durable hota hai, relatively durable when compared to the other cheap brands which you get at 500, 600. But quality need to be improved a bit, particularly when it comes to the insole and also the laces quality. Grip bhi ठीक ठाक का है. And one more option also I got. This is like a Gucci inspired kind of a design here. The color combination is also almost green color को black color replace कर दिया. Gucci or Versace, whatever you call it as the symbols, just have this strip here on both sides. Other than that, basically it's a white sneaker. I just ordered this one because the design looks cool to me. I thought that maybe because it's priced 100 rupees or 150 rupees more, is the quality any better? No, the quality stays the same. This synthetic leather, it stays the same. It is like smooth, good enough and easy enough to clean. Grip is slightly better when compared to the previous option, and the padding stays the same and the insole stays the same, but laces quality thoda sa improve ho gaya for this one. These are the two options which I got from Asian brand. In case if you're getting these at 500 rupees, definitely you can consider, but don't expect too much of comfort. Okay, next option is from a brand called Centrino. This one actually, while ordering it, mostly like one of the Zara sneaker I have, I wanted to have a similar option at this particular price point. Yeah, this is the option. The one with the slight brown overlay. Basically, it's a white sneaker with a brown overlay. Zara one, I have that overlay at the front side, but this color combination generally gels well with many of the outfits. That's why I wanted to give it a try. This one immediately gives you a little bit better feeling in terms of the overall touch. Even though the leather is like rougher when compared to the previous options, but it does have a texture and it gives a slightly expensive looking, and also the shape resembles of the Stan Smiths, and laces quality is also good. And the best part is that you get that nice padding here and a similar padding to the sides of the insole, not exactly to the insole, but for this side of the insole again ठीक ठाक का है. देखने में इधर थोड़ा सा कुछ नहीं दिखता है, but in general when it comes to the insole, just when you touch it you feel that it's soft, but once you wear it, it's good enough. It's good enough, I would say, for the price point. But I love this color combination and the shape and the clean design along with the grip. Is also one more good option you can consider. Okay, next brand, Hygear anta. I never heard this brand also, but at least these came with dabba, unlike the Asian options. These are more like these Sparx sneakers which I showed, almost like an exact copy paste kind of a designs. You guys can see the front, the cup area, the sides, the perforations it have, and also the cushioning it have, and everything. I tried it, and even the insole is also almost close. Even the stitchings here, everything stays the same when it comes to the Sparx. And this one, the lace quality is also better. I got this at a steal deal, I think. So it's an Amazon limited times deal hota hai na. Even though they are priced here at 1600, I got this somewhere at 700 or 650 rupees, almost at Sparx price point, and also the design looks the same. This one chalta hai for that price point. But one thing you need to consider for this particular sneaker is that I tried size 9 first, and it's very tight, particularly at this cup portion, the front side. So make sure that you size up in case if you are going for this particular brand. Okay, now let's talk about the cheapest of all. Almost at 350 or 400 rupees during this Amazon sale. Feeling good alaya on it. Can't even describe also how much light it is. It doesn't feel expensive to touch because it's made of canvas, first thing, and the canvas is of relatively poor quality. I would not say relatively, it's actually poor quality. And also the grip, it doesn't have much grip. The sole looks cheap. This red color looks tacky. It should look like Converse dupe, but it's not a high top. It's not a low top, it's certainly a mid top, which generally Converse doesn't offer. And also even this cup portion, which generally Converse iconic portion, the quality of that one is also bad. I tried this particular option. It's very hard on your foot. So make sure that you don't buy these kind of options, even though you're getting at 400 or 500 rupees price points. The previous option which I showed, or maybe the Sparx option, or maybe even the Asian options, those are good. Those are good enough for the price points like you are paying in. But these are not good. Just for the aesthetic purpose, for a shoot, if you want to, you can definitely consider and just use it for those purposes where you're gonna wear 5 to 10 minutes or maybe half an hour to the max. Don't just neglect on your comfort, because if you don't wear comfortable footwear, it's gonna hurt you on a longer run. And having said that, these are the 6 white sneakers I got under 799 rupees during the Amazon's recent sale. All the links are there in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome content like this. That is it from me. See you next time, Mama.